Beginning students useful methods of pattern sheets method. All trapping methods in all dresses are used pattern cloth. Every usage in seam allowance to measurements trappings. Useful are subscribed in my channels and new pattern sheets are available in contact WhatsApp number. All sizes blouse allowed. Um, 32 to 48 sizes, 199 only. Online free tailoring, fashion designing and beauty classes. WhatsApp number 9994760355. RR Fashion Academy.